Florida is one of 33 states seeing a spike in COVID-19 cases. California and Texas, the other two most populous states in the country, are also seeing a spike. CBS 4's Danya Bacchus has more on what's happening in these hotspots.
Florida's coronavirus numbers are spiking. Today, the state reported nearly 9,000 new cases, a record amount. The previous high of 5,500 came just 2 days ago.
Most of these people are asymptomatic. Most of them, if they do have symptoms, will be so mild that they would not even need to seek medical attention.
Texas is seeing a similar surge in infections. A day after saying the state's reopening would pause, Governor Greg Abbott ordered bars closed and imposed new restrictions on restaurants.
It's pretty clear that these measures by themselves won't be adequate.
In Houston and elsewhere, hospitals are nearly full. The Texas Medical Center says its ICU beds already are.
Anything in between, staying home, or what's currently happening is a gamble and an experiment on our own people.
Texas and Florida were among the first states to relax their social distancing and stay-at-home rules. California moved more slowly, yet its COVID-19 totals are also rising.
We are still in the first wave of this pandemic.
Governor Newsom says some counties in California may have to go back into lockdown if the virus continues to spread. Officials in other states are sounding the alarm.
If we're not careful, Mississippi's going to look like New York at the height of the pandemic.
New Jersey's case totals are down sharply from their mid-April peak, but Governor Phil Murphy says no one is celebrating.
We have come a long way in New Jersey, but we've had to go through hell to get here, and we will do everything we can to stay in a good place.
The CDC says the actual number of coronavirus cases is probably 10 times higher than the number who've tested positive. That would mean roughly 25 million Americans have been infected. Danya Bacchus, CBS News, Los Angeles.
New Jersey announced that it's planning to reopen schools in the fall with social distancing and sanitizing measures in place. The state schools shut down on March 18th.